The health benefits of cloves and their medicinal uses. Cloves are small dried flower buds which originally come from the Maluku Islands in Indonesia. These have been used for thousands of years as a cooking spice and also as a natural medicine. In today's video, we will explore 22 facts and benefits of cloves and explain how they affect the human body. 1. Joint health. Cloves are one of the best sources of manganese on the planet, a mineral which can help to strengthen the joints. This helps to relieve joint pain such as shoulder or knee pain and also reduces inflammation in the connective tissues. Pregnant women should consume foods rich in manganese to protect their children from skeletal defects. 2. Tooth pain. If you suffer with tooth pain or aching gums, then you may apply a small amount of clove oil to relieve pain. Studies show that the healing compounds in clove oil work as a natural anesthetic in the mouth and can also protect the teeth from erosion and cavities. 3. Breath. Historically, people would chew on a few cloves before meeting royalty to fight off bad breath. The strong aromatic smell of these dried flowers helps to destroy odor-causing bacteria in the mouth and make the breath smell fresh. 5. Fly repellent. There is an age-old remedy to keep flies out of the home during the summer months. Simply slice a fresh lime or lemon in half and place cloves into the fruit. The reaction between the acid of the lemon and the aroma of the cloves helps to deter flies. Place these near windows and doors to help keep these pests out of the home. 6. Fights aging. Cloves are one of the richest antioxidant spices in the world and are even rated above cinnamon and turmeric on the ORAC scale. Antioxidants found in cloves help to protect the body against premature aging and free radical damage. This can help to slow the aging process and protect the organs such as the eyes from oxidative stress which comes with age. 7. Skin health. Clove oil can be used topically on the skin to help relieve chronic itching. We highly recommend mixing a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut oil and applying directly to the skin. The antibacterial compounds in cloves can reduce swelling, fight acne, and kill infectious bacteria on the skin naturally. 8. Mouthwash. You can make a powerful natural mouthwash by mixing warm water with tea tree oil, cloves and basil. A study showed that using this mixture for 21 days improved gum health and reduced plaque and bacteria in the mouth. 10. Lung health. Clove oil has been shown in some studies to help fight off respiratory infections in the lungs, such as pneumonia and influenza. Clove oil was added to a liquid culture and used in a vaporizer to help kill off viral infections from within the lungs. However, more research is currently required. 11. Anti-cancer. Test tube studies show that clove oil can destroy breast, cervical and colon cancer cells. Antioxidant-rich foods like cloves help to repair DNA and cut off blood supply to cancer cells in the body. Following a healthy, no-sugar diet is also very important when fighting this awful disease. 16. Hair growth. Many people use clove oil as a natural remedy to promote hair growth because it contains antioxidants and minerals that help to produce collagen. Massaging diluted clove oil into the scalp can improve blood circulation and fight off any dandruff or fungus that may be blocking hair follicles. 17. Cooking. We recommend grinding cloves with a pestle and mortar and adding to delicious meat marinades and salad dressings. It has a wonderful flavour and works well with gamey meats and duck in particular. 20. Weight loss. When trying to lose weight, it is important to get lots of leafy greens, spices and herbs into your diet. Spices like cloves, turmeric and cinnamon help to reduce insulin resistance in the body so that you can tap into your own fat reserves for energy. Spices can help speed up the weight loss process, especially when following a low-carb diet. As you can see, cloves have some fantastic health benefits for the human body, especially when consumed regularly. In our other videos, we discuss the benefits of many other superfoods, especially herbs, spices and tonics. To learn more about nutrition and herbal medicines, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.